fabulous fourth graders, and welcome to our 10-1 homework help. So today we were multiplying fractions times a whole number. All right, so for numbers 1 through 10, we're gonna find each product, and you can use the models that are here to help you. Here we have 72 times 5/12. Now, remember when we learned in class that we could turn 72 into a fraction. So if we would put a 1 underneath. Then we're just multiplying 72 times 5, which is what they want us to do right here. 72 times 5. Then 72 times 5 would give you 360. Then you would multiply that by 1/12. Okay, turn that into a fraction. 360 times 1 is 360. 1 times 12 is 12. Then to find the mixed fraction, you would need to divide 360 divided by 12. Now, we can use our basic facts. 36 divided by 12 equals 3. Put a 0 on the end to give us 30. Down here, they were, excuse me, they found 360. So bring in our 72, 1 over here, and 5/12. 1 times 12 is 12. 360 divided by 12, or 30. Another way you can multiply is using repeated addition. So we have 12 times 34. Well, 12 times 3/4. So we have 3/4 here, and we need to write that 12 times, okay? 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, and so on and so forth. It's a lot of writing, but if you like this method, you can do it. Then all you need to do is add all these thirds together. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 would give us 36. 36/4. Then I need to turn that into a mixed number. 36 divided by 4, well, that perfectly goes into evenly 9 times. So it would be 9. Okay? So there's 2 ways to do it. Okay? You can use repeated addition. You might want to get another piece of paper if you like repeated addition. Or you can turn your whole number into a fraction and then multiply across. 13 times 2, 1 times 3. Then turn into a mixed number. All right. On the back, write and solve an equation to model the picture. Show your answer as a multiplication equation with 1/2 as a factor. So as you can see, you have like half a pair here, right? So how many halves of pairs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you were to write a multiplication equation, you could say that there are 6 halves here. 6 times 1/2. Then solve that. All right, number 12. Explain how you would find 45 times 7/9 mentally. So you could make it into a fraction here. Then you would say you do 45 times 7. Then divide that by 9. 13. Jordan runs 3/4 a mile each day. How many miles does Jordan run in 12 days? So if he runs 3/4 a mile each day, that's 1 day, how many would he run in 12 days? You're going to take your fraction of 3/4 and multiply that by 12. 14. Hippos eat a lot of food. How much food do 28 hippos eat each week? So I have to use this information over here that says a hippo eats about 1/2 ton of food in a week. So if they eat 1/2 ton in just 1 week, how many would 28 hippos eat in 1 week? You should know what to do here. All right, number 15. Tina had $145. She spent $40 on fruit at the farmer's market. Write and solve an equation to find how much money Tina has left. So if she started with 140, she spent 40 of it, how much would she have left? Write a problem to go along with the multiplication expression 3 times 3/10. Then solve the problem. So if you want to just turn it into a fraction, you could have 3/1 times 3/10, or you can use repeated addition. Either way. All right, number 17. What is the length of a scarf that has 5 sections if each section is 1 foot long? Okay, 5 sections. Each of those sections is 1/2. 18. Select all the equations that would be true with the fraction 2/9 in the box. So what you're going to do is plug in 2/9 into this box. Then solve that. Does it equal 18? Okay, so you're going to have to check it with all of these and see. All right, good luck.